What's this that you have here in front of you? Is this like this black thing? Don't know.
Sorry, please. Sorry.
This black thing that you have on your chest.
Black.
Yes. Yes, you have right here on your chest. What's this?
Okay. And the radio
Ah, the radio. Okay,
for
you call it.
communication, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
to communicate. To
Yes,
communicate inside the ship. Okay.
yes.
Okay, and instrument, you see, instrument technician.
Yes,
Yes,
instrument tech.
tech. Instrument
Yeah.
technician. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, and do you know how you say macacão?
Oh, overall.
Yes, exactly.
Overall.
Coverall. Coverall. It's your uniform, right? You know, uniform.
Uniform.
Okay. Okay, so let's I have
I forgot this.
sorry?
I forgot this name.
You forgot what?
What? How do you say this name? This.
Ah, okay, okay. Yes, I asked you, you forgot. I've read somewhere it said it was saying hard hat, but I know it as a helmet. Helmet, capacete. Capacete. But I saw somewhere hard hat also.
Okay.
Yes. And do you wear luvas?
Yes, I call globe.
Gloves, yes, yes, gloves.
Correct.
Yes, gloves. Yes. And I think we goggles.
Glass, maybe.
Glasses. Glasses I like mine. These are glasses.
Yeah,
Goggles,
okay.
viseira. Não, viseira. Não é viseira. Don't know in Portuguese. Goggles. Goggles is like protection.
Okay.
To protect your eyes. Yes, goggles. Okay. Okay. So I have 2 videos here.
E aí, rapaziada? Bora pra saideira?
It's not about this. It's not about this.
Welcome to our channel instrument calibration. If you are new on this channel, and if you have missed our previous videos, then you can find links in the description box. And if you do not want to miss any informative video in the future, then please subscribe this channel.
Oh no, sorry. Okay.
Meu trabalho é fácil porque eu uso o clique A. É assim que eu acompanho todas as minhas tarefas.
So these are questions about
Welcome to our
instrumentation control interview. Interview questions for.
Missed our previous videos, then you can find links in the description box.
Okay, bye-bye.
And if you do not want to miss any informative video in future, then in this video, I will give the answers of top 7 most common instrumentation interview questions.
Okay. Top 7 instrumentation interview questions. Let's see You're really good. I'm joking. I know you are.
No problem.
Okay.
So, first most common question asked by interviewer is that, what is a transmitter?
Okay.
Okay.
What is
First
a
question.
transmitter? I think you told me before, but it's okay.
Okay. Transmitter is a sensor, and
Sorry. Can you repeat? Is a
sensor.
a
Sensor.
sensor. Okay.
Yeah, an instrument, a sensor, and that gives me what this value, this variable in field. And I have uh, various types of transmitter.
Mm-hmm.
Transmitter, pressure transmitter,
Pressure,
temperature transmitter,
temperature,
flow,
flow.
flow, density,
So
density,
this okay. Okay, sorry.
and
You can
yes,
finish.
yes. And then there is various types of variables, different variables. And then
Mm-hmm.
I need the operator and the control room
Mm-hmm.
need to know what this information, this status in the field. And then this sensor, this transmitter, these instruments uh, is installed in the process, and they send this information for the control room because um, the operator need control the process, and
Mm-hmm.
then he needs these informations: what the pressure in some vessel, what the temperature in the water, the temperature in the gas,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and then they transmitted these instruments and
Mm-hmm.
send this information for her.
Okay. So the transmitter sends information to the control panel, and
Yes, yes,
you need to have access to this information. Not you. It's not for you.
yes,
For you?
yes. I
Uh,
need the instrument tech needs certificate these transmitters. It's good. The value is real. Is this correct value? Because I need
uh-huh.
to calibrate. When I to buy when I to buy uh, some instruments, I need to calibrate the instruments because I need
Uh-huh.
to start the configuration.
Uh-huh.
Or after that, I will install in some place. But I need to do the loop test and calibration configuration of these instruments. And every day I have maintenance, corrective maintenance, and the preventive maintenance
Mm.
because this value is needs to be real
Uh,
for the control room.
sorry, repeats the sentence. This value needs to be true.
Yes, true. For example, if the
Correct,
screen
you mean.
the yes this screen the operator if the pressure transmitter give the value 10 bar, this value needs to be correct
Mm-hmm.
because but I need sure this value is correct because I need to calibrate uh, certificate this
The
instrument
the
is okay.
transmitter. The
Yeah,
transmitter.
yes,
Okay. 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 You are the person that checks if it is right or wrong.
yes,
The
yes,
the
perfect.
information, the
I,
data
I
that
am responsible. I am responsible by maintenance this all
Uh-huh.
instruments around the ship.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Even though I didn't fully understand, I would have lots of questions like, but maybe they are silly questions. Like, for example, you said that the transmitter sends the data to the control panel. So you cannot see. Can you see the data or not? Do you have
Can it see
instruments to
what?
test the sensors, the transmitters? Do you have some special tools to test the
Yes.
transmitters? Okay.
I have a specific tools and a specific equipment. And that is, for example, all instruments I need instrument standard instruments.
Standard. Okay.
Yes. For example, I have this standard instrument, the pressure transmitter.
Mhm.
And then I will, for example, today my pressure transmitter not good. It's very incorrect in the field.
Mhm. Mm.
I and then I will take my standard instrument
Mhm.
in my workshop and
Mhm.
going into the location
Mhm.
when the instrument is installed and compare this value. I
Ah,
send this value. Yeah, for example, I search the pressure and the both instruments, and the
mm.
standard instrument and the
The local
instrument.
local instrument.
Yes, yes, and compare two values. If
Okay.
if we have the error, I need to adjust
Adjust.
this
Okay.
the
Calibrate
signal.
or adjust.
Yes, calibrate. Yes,
Calibrate.
calibrate is compare this standards with the instrument
The
of the field.
okay. Wonderful explanation. Good
Yeah.
job. Let's see what they
So,
say.
you need to give short definition of transmitter. For example, a transmitter is an electronic device which is generally mounted in the field, and it is close proximity to a sensor.
So okay, you can read. You can read this so you practice the pronunciation.
Yes. Read. A
Yes.
transmitter is an electronic device which
Okay.
is
Generally
generally
uh,
mounted in the
mounted
field
the field
close proximity and
proximity.
proximity to a sensor.
Okay.
The basic function of the transmitter is to provide the correct electrical power to turn on the sensor, and then to read the low-level sensor signal, and amplify it to a higher level electrical signal, and send that signal a long distance to a controller, or read it.
Uh, okay. No, I don't need to read all this. Basic function of
Okay.
the transmitter is to provide the correct electrical power to turn on the sensor and then to read the low level sensor signal and amplify it to a higher level electrical signal. Is it okay?
Yes.
Signal, right?
Yes.
Not signal, signal.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Signal.
signal.
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Because I will let me the example for the temperature transmitter.
Mm-hmm.
I have in this room I have two parts,
Mm-hmm.
and my sensor is connected connected assembled
Mm-hmm.
como é que fala? Diretamente no processo.
Directly.
Directly
Directly.
in direct. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
my sensor.
Uh-huh.
Nearby this sensor, I have on cable connected my sensor and transmitter because this transmitter will send the signal
Uh-huh.
to my panel. And then always you have two parts in the instrument.
Mm-hmm.
Sensor work together the transmitter.
With the
A sensor
transmit.
is
Mm-hmm.
connected in the process
Uh-huh.
and send the signal to transmitter, and transmitter send the signal to panel.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
device. And if interviewer asked follow-up questions such as, what is a sensor?
What's the sensor?
Yes. Yes. Sensor is directly.
Directly. Yes. Yes. You can say
Directly.
directly
Is
or
assembled
directly. Yes.
directly in the process. For example, it's assembled in the panel, assembled in the vessel, in the tank, in the pipe,
Mm-hmm.
directly in the process.
To the equipment.
Yes, directly in the equipment. The sensor sends the signal to transmitter
To the
that is installed nearby, and the
okay.
transmitter will
Send.
transform this signal
Ah.
and because that is a term in the Portuguese. I don't remember now, but okay. Because I remember ele trata o sinal. Eu não sei como é que fala.
Sorry?
O transmissor ele recebe o sinal do sensor e trata o sinal para enviar. Agora,
Treats. Oh, sorry.
Receive the signal of sensor and treat the signal and send to panel.
Okay, treats the signal and transfers.
Yes.
To the panel. Right?
Yes.
Treats
the sensor work together of transmitter.
With the together with.
Yes, together with transmitter.
Together with the transmitter. Transmitter. Yes. Okay.
Then your answer.
The
sensor is.
Yes.
The sensor, we call it the sensor primary. Primary is correct?
Three what?
Element primary. Element primário.
Primary. Primary element.
Primary element, the sensor. And the transmitter is secondary.
It's secondary.
Secondary element. Sensor, the primary element.
Okay.
Transmitter, the
Good.
secondary element. Yes.
Okay. Can I play?
Yes.
Can I play? Yes.
It's also known as transducer, which measures a physical
transducer measures a
such as
physical
pressure.
yes. Okay.
The second most frequently asked instrumentation interview question is that, what is smart transmitter?
Smart transmitter, do you know?
Smart, I don't.
You don't know? Maybe this is an acronym, SMART. Not sure. Let's see.
A smart transmitter is known as microprocessor-based transmitter. In other words, it is the core of electronic in a device.
No?
The most common function of smart transmitter is to communicate, and it is also used for the calibration process in remote areas.
Can you recognize this? Known as micro Processor-based transmitter. Core é o principal of electronic in a
Okay,
device.
okay.
Is used to communicate and
Yes,
also for
probably.
the
Okay,
calibration process.
let me see more.
Okay, let's see.
A
The
smart transmitter sends a unified standard signal such as 4 to 20 milliamperes DC, 1 to 5 volt DC, or 0 to 10 volt DC. And the output control signal is standard in the form of 4 to 20 milliamperes.
yes, you could.
Yes, this signal is the standard signal in the instrumentation.
Ah,
4 to 420 milliamperes, and this is electrical signal for all instruments. For example,
hmm,
uh, the transmitter receive the signal of some sensor, and for example, the temperature,
hmm,
the degrees,
mm-hmm,
and the transducer treat the signal, uh, and then my signal 0% or 0 degrees, for example,
uh-huh,
equally 4 milliamperes, and the 100% or 100 degrees
uh-huh,
mean 20 milliamperes, because my panel don't don't understand the hot or cold. My panel understand only electrical signal, and
okay,
then this transducer need receive this signal
uh-huh,
and receive the temperature, hot or cold, and the treat it and transform
uh-huh. Okay,
transform.
what's MADC, VDC, and yes,
Yes,
VDC.
and
What's
the
VDC?
voltage,
Ah,
voltage, continuing voltage, and
okay.
power supply. Yes,
Power supply. Okay.
yes,
So it's standard for, okay.
Or to
Okay,
20.
this is 2 amperes. Amperes is like in Portuguese, right? You also
yes,
said amperes also,
yes.
right? Você também
Okay.
falou isso, né? Amperes.
Yeah,
Não foi?
milliamperes and the standard signal in the instrument.
Ah,
All
ok.
signal, always, all every transmitter send the standard signal and the 4 to 20 milliamperes.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Okay. Like this, they're saying here, right?
yeah,
Here. This is what you said.
yes.
Okay.
4 to 20 milliamperes. Yes,
20. Okay. Okay.
is standard signal.
4 to 20 milliamperes.
Ah, yes.
The third most frequently asked interview question is that, what is the process control?
Ah, the process control. The control panel.
Okay. The process control, for example, and I need to treat my oil. I need to remove this oil from the well.
Mm-hmm.
We treat, separate the fluids and the oil, the gas, the water,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
send this fluid, this gas, for example, for generator, the boiler,
Mm-hmm.
the treat the water, and the all process is the process the control. Everything happen in the outside of the ship is my process, the control.
Everything, sorry, it's because I don't understand what you're saying because it's too low.
Yes, my plan,
Everything?
my plans of the process. Uh, there happening my process the control. I needed separate my oil of the fluids oil. For example, I need to remove the condensate. I remove the water of the oil. I need to treat the oil. This
Okay.
process called process control.
Okay. When you separate the oil
Yes,
from the
yes. Separate
water.
was one example, but inside the industry, I have various types of process control. For
Okay, there
example,
are
the
many types of process control.
yes.
Okay.
A process control is continuous changing of a process variable to desired variable according to the measured feedback variable from the process.
A process control is a continuous changing of a process variable to desired variable according to the measured feedback variable from the this is very complicated for me, very hard to understand. But I think I
Yes,
understood what you said.
because this term feedback, measure feedback, uh, the equipment that give the measure feedback is this transmitter, because
Okay.
transmitter and send the feedback for the control, the operator. Yes.
Okay.
Control is closed loop control system. The fourth most important interview question is that, what are the process variables and what are their units of measurement?
Measurement. Okay.
This word I think very difficult to pronounce.
The questions, all the questions.
No, the word measurement.
Measurement.
The measurement.
Measurement.
Yes, it's very used here, but I think I
Measurement.
have
É
difficult
medidas.
measurement.
As
Yes,
medidas.
yes, yes,
Yes.
but I think it's hard to
To
pronounce
say, to
measurement.
pronounce. No, you said,
Yes,
yes, you said, okay. Say it
but
again.
I always forgot
Ah,
measurement.
yes, perfect.
And
Perfect.
the medir is measure,
To measure. Sem o man.
measure,
Sem o ment, né?
measure.
To measure.
Yes, measure.
Measurement, measure. Aqui, como é RE no final, sempre você vai pronunciar
Measure.
como ER, tá? No inglês. Você troca
Okay,
de lugar aqui, bota ER. Então, measure. Ou muita gente
okay.
fala, não pronuncia o E. Measure.
Measure,
Measurement. Measure.
measurement. I use very much this word, but I think the pronounce I have difficulty in the pronounce.
No, measure.
Measure. Yes,
Yes.
okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
And the process variable is the one I told before, the variables, the pressure, and the temperature. Yes, the process variables, and the
Okay.
unit. Yes, for example, the temperature, this unit is degrees
Degrees.
Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And
Let me put here because I also need this to. So, oh my gosh. So temperature
yes,
is degrees, right? Can be
yes,
Fahrenheit.
Celsius. Celsius.
Now, you use Celsius more than Fahrenheit.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, good.
The temperature on just Celsius here.
Okay. Any other?
But pressure, use kilo, kilo, other word very difficult.
I don't know.
Kilogram force.
Kilograms.
Kilogram force.
Kilogram force.
Yes, is unit more common.
Like this.
Yes.
Or KF, right? KF.
Yes.
KS, kilogram force. Yes, I was
KFC.
searching. T? KFT?
KF.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. KG barra. Como é que fala barra?
Wait. Dash or slash?
Uhum.
No, slash. Yes, slash. Slash.
Sim.
Eu vou depois pôr para você aqui.
KG
Slash.
centímetro.
Centímetro.
Quadrado. Como é que fala?
E como é que eu vou
É
colocar
quilograma
quadrado
força por
aqui?
centímetro quadrado.
Eu não sei como eu vou colocar assim, ó.
Não, sem problema. Ok.
Yes? Ok.
Yes.
Slash, ok?
Ok.
Slash barra.
Bar, order unit.
Sorry?
Bar, order unit for pressure.
Nada. This bar? Just bar?
Yes. It's very common.
This is
also.
for pressure.
Yes.
Pressure. Okay. Pressure.
PSI, order unit is very common here.
It's
PSI.
for what? For what? Which variable?
Not unit. Unit
Yes, but
by
for
pressure.
which you also for pressure?
Yes.
Okay.
Temperature have only degrees Celsius, but pressure have many units.
Many units. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes this is a great problem because
Mm.
I see in the unit in the field, but the operator that all the units in the screen.
Then you
Yes.
have to calculate. Do you have to calculate? Oh, this
Yes.
is horrible.
This in the past there was accidents because this accident is correct. Yes.
Accident.
Because accidents because
Because of this difference. Different
field
measure.
operator inform value, but the operator see all their value don't transport.
Another measurement.
Yes.
Another unit. Yes, another
The
measurement.
same value, but unit is different unit, and then there's different value also.
Okay. Any other variable? You said temperature, pressure.
Yes.
Other?
Flow.
Sorry?
Flow.
Flow.
Yes.
Okay. What's the unit?
Metros por hora.
Meters per hour.
Per hour, yes. Is very
Meters
more
per hour.
meters cubic.
Meters. So then it's cubic meters, no?
Probably, yes.
Cubic meters per hour.
per hour or by hour? Per hour.
Per hour.
Per per.
I
Okay.
use per.
Okay. That is
Because
all the
Portuguese,
more,
in
but
Portuguese is por. So I think
yes.
it's more similar per. I don't know. I
Okay.
always use per hour.
Okay. No
Maybe
problem.
4 hour is okay, but I'm not sure now. I would have to search. Okay. Any other variable or
But
any other unit for flow?
yes, meters, cubic meters by per day.
Ah, about flow,
Per
right?
yes, per day, per second.
Cubic meters per day, per second, etc.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, got it. Any other variable? You said
Yes.
temperature, pressure, flow,
Yeah. Velocity. Velocity.
velocity.
Velocity. Uh,
Okay. What's the unit of measurement?
RPM. More common.
Sorry?
RPM. RPM.
Mm,
Yes. Uh,
RPM. What's RPM
yes.
is
I need you to know
per
what's
minute,
the
right?
rotation by minute. Yes.
Rotation per minute.
Per minute. Ah, per minute. Yeah.
Yes, you see?
per... Que é rotação por minuto? Okay.
Yes,
I don't
rotação por
forget
minuto.
more.
Rotation
Okay.
per minute. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Any other
Yeah.
variable that you remember?
Other thing, yesterday,
Uh-huh.
my supervisor
Uh-huh.
elogiou
Ah,
my
peraí,
English.
peraí.
Yeah.
Hey! Oh,
So,
so hefty!
yes, yes,
Amazing!
I received the paper with
Congratulations.
my congratulations. I received my paper with my feedback, and there
Uh-huh.
uh, my English is very good, but not good. But for the
No,
is
but doesn't matter. Why
like
not? Why isn't it? Come on, it's wonderful. You don't have to
yes,
speak like an American, or if you're speaking and people
yes,
are
yes.
understanding you. Para com esse complexo de vira-lata que a gente tem. Brasileiro tem muito complexo de vira-latas.
Uh,
Rapaz, o meu inglês não é o melhor que você vai encontrar, de forma alguma. Eu falo muito como brasileira. Mas eu dei aula
mas
na
é.
China, eu trabalhei para
Uhum.
empresa americana, so come
E eu
on.
acho que o sotaque cria identidade também, né? Quando
Exato,
você.
exactly. Don't
É,
worry. Just,
é.
India, people from India, they speak very badly English. The
Aham,
pronunciation is not good.
ok, ok.
But anyways, they make deals. They presidents go to UN, vai lá na ONU. They make speeches speaking
Uhum.
broken English. So,
I saw the video, the interview of the Trump, and
uh-huh.
the journalist asking the question, but the India, but Trump spoke don't understand the pronunciation. But I
Trump.
don't know if this is true. Yes,
Uh-huh.
ask me repeat again because
Uh-huh.
don't understand the accent.
The question, the
Uh,
accent.
yeah, accent.
He's so, oh my
But
gosh.
don't believe. I
You
think don't.
didn't understand.
Yes, yes.
Did
I
you
think
understand?
one. Sorry.
Did you understand the question the journalist
No,
made?
because I have